Hi, I'm Ruthie Dahle and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna be doing a rain season inspired makeup look, and I know that there has been tragedies linked to rain season, but rain season basically just started where I'm living, and I know it has been going on all year just because it's a rainy year for some reason here in Norway. This is kind of like October. It's officially rain season. It's gonna rain now more than ever, basically, even though it's clear skies today. So what I think of when I think of rain season, I think of fruitfulness, I think of dark clouds, I think of a lot of rain, a lot of nourishment back to the earth that we have been taking care of all spring, summer, and getting everything we need out of the earth, and then it's gonna get nourished for the next season or the next year, the next spring. And so it's not all bad, and I'm taking the good parts of the rain season and taking that as an inspiration for this makeup look. So the makeup look that you're seeing right now is the rain season inspired makeup look. And if you want to learn how to do this makeup look, then keep on watching. First off, I'm going to start with an eyeshadow color from the eyeshadow palette by Makeup Revolution. And this one is the palette called Constellation. And I'm going to be using this blue right here. And I'm going to take that one all over my lid. Oh yeah, by the way, I'm using a flat brush. I just went in to intensify the color with a harder round brush, small one. So I'm taking the same color and bringing it on my lower lashes. So I want to I will get it just past my pupil, or just at my pupil where it ends, towards the front. When you look straight ahead, that's where I want the blue to finish. Just because I'm going to be using another color in the inner corner of my eye. So, and then you do the same on the other eye. Now what I want to do is take a blender brush, and I'm going to be using the one from Essence, and it looks like this one, and I'm going to be blending in the crease. Now I'm going to be applying eyeliner, and I'm going to be taking W7 Skin Kohl, and it is a pencil, so it looks like this one. And I'm only bringing it until almost the beginning of my pupil. So now I want to go in with a liquid eyeliner just to sharpen up the black. Actually, first I'm going to be going in with the H&M eyeshadow palette in the shade Black. That's what I'm going to go in with first, just because I want to bring some of the black down to my lower lashes. So I am going to be using the flat brush to the same as before. Just in the outer corner, just to kind of like enhance the eyeliner. Just blend it right here. I don't want to blend it all the way out in the corner just because I want it to be darkest right there. Now I want to go in with liquid eyeliner to just intensify the black. I like going in with the pencil first just so that I have an idea of the shape, just because I don't do graphic eyeliners that often. So I do want to kind of be on the safe side. So I'm going to go in with H&M's Dipliner ink and Now I want to go in with the Makeup Revolution Constellation palette again, but this time I'm gonna be going in with the silver one right here, the one that's called Fractal. The blue is called Neptune, by the way. And I'm gonna be using a really small brush, so I'm using this one. And I just want to take the inner corners of my eye and kind of make something that's inspired by splashing water. And then I want to bring that same color down below. And I'm just gonna go just very gently underneath and blend it just a tad. So what I want to go in with now is just a little bit of eyeliner on my waterline. So for this one I am going to be using the one from Kix, and I'm going to be, it's called Kix Lasting Liner, this one, the tip at least. So my battery died and I just put my mascara on, and I did just use Maybelline's the Colossal. That's what I used. So now I want to go in with false lashes. I don't put on false lashes a lot, but a dramatic eye look needs dramatic lashes, or more dramatic than normal lashes at least. So I'm just going to be using IPD. It's Korean and it's the 702. So the last thing I'm going to be going in with is a setting spray. So I'm just going to be using Makeup Revolution Sports Fix, and it looks like that. So this is the finished look. So we have the dark clouds at the corner of the outer corner of the eyes, the graphic eyeliner that we got going on, and then we have the blue that represents the dark rain that comes with the rain season, and then the little bit of splash of water that kind of comes when you see the drops kind of like hit the ground. We have that in the inner corners. So here you have it, a rain season inspired makeup look. That is all I have for you today, and if you liked the video, please leave a like, and if you have any questions or want to say anything, just leave a comment down below. And if you want more content like this, then please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you know when I'm posting the videos. And I want to thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye!